Thank you, Sarah. I'm here with the lovely Carol Asmus. How are you, my
Susan.
dear?
Thank you. Lovely to be here this
I
morning.
know, a little early. You're up in my
it's
woods.
still dark out.
I know. You're up in the woods with me, kiddo.
That's
I'm
it,
telling you.
up there.
Hey, coming up. This is the first time you've done the Super
This
Saturday,
is our new
right?
event, Super Saturday, and we had it scheduled for when it was really cold.
Yeah.
However, we're going to have it anyway. So we've got 8 different soups. We've got salads, homemade rolls and breads.
How fun
and
is that?
It's going to be a good event.
And it's going to be January the 25th.
Right, at Station 2.
At Station 2 at 6:30 p.m. And it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's easy to get to.
Oh, absolutely. Lots of parking, just $10, so you can
Right. And you can't ask for anything
No,
better. And
bring a beverage of your choice. Lots of people like to bring their wine and
Sure,
sit around. There's
sure.
dessert to follow, so
Great.
it's
That's going to be a lot of fun.
this is Hope everybody comes. It's
Bring your friends and neighbors.
That's right.
Now, Carol, if they have any questions, where can they reach you?
They can call me at 296-5681,
Okay, great.
and I'll answer any questions and
Great.
give them information.
Great. It's really important to bring up, too, that the auxiliary does so much
Yes.
because we're not on salary up there.
No, they're all volunteers.
Everybody volunteers and gives up a whole bunch of their time. So it's very, very important to hold these events
That's
and have
right.
people to support, because that's how you make the money to buy little extra things.
Oh, absolutely. Their funding is limited.
Very.
For very specific things. So our events raise money to buy pallets of water and Gatorade when they go out on fire strikes and
Right.
things like this. And just during the summer, they have to be hydrated.
You bet. And it's important to point out, too, that obviously we're in a very serious
Oh,
drought.
it's terrible.
And there's basically nothing out there until maybe next week a sprinkle. They're not even sure about that. But I mean, I'm sure that we're going to get something maybe later in the season. But until then, they have had triple fires all over
Yes,
California.
yes.
Actually,
And
triple of what they normally
it
have.
doesn't take much.
No. No.
That's why we have to be so vigilant
I
about
heard-
weed eating or
Yes.
anything. The last rains they go in the ground, but they don't wet anything down. They
Right.
just go through because we have so little rain.
Right.
So
And I
it's-
understand that somebody was doing down in Southern California, the big fire. That was started by a lawnmower or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
And so people have to understand that you can't use these things right now.
Our
You have-
area up there hasn't had a fire in 30 years, so
Right.
it is pretty scary.
Yes, and the thing is that you have to be vigilant in everything that you do. There's no burning right now.
No.
Am I correct? Because
I've seen some, but I don't
yes,
know.
but they're supposed to call and they're supposed to check and make
check
sure.
the burn notice.
But they're also telling you we had some terrible winds yesterday, and from what I understand, last night when I got home. And anytime there's wind out there, please don't burn. Just don't,
absolutely.
because one spark can set this whole county on fire. It's terrible. But I think that it's very important that people know that Super Saturday is coming January the 25th at 6:30 at Station 2, and it's hard to get the point across that we don't have funding. Everybody volunteers. Carol volunteers to take care of the auxiliary and to get all these things going. Many of us go to the events and we're able to go there and to support our people. When there's fires and our guys volunteer to go out, and they need Gatorade, they need water, they need so much, and we need the best,
The equipment.
The equipment. And a lot of people don't understand, Carol, that usually after 3 or 5 years, that equipment is no longer.
That equipment is so expensive.
It is, and it's no longer valid after 3 to 5 years. They want you to buy new
It's
equipment.
around $2,500.
You bet, per firefighter.
For a complete
Per firefighter.
outfit. Yeah.
You bet. And so it's so important that we make as much money as we can out, to help out and to be there for them, because I'll tell you what, they just don't volunteer there. If somebody needs them, they're there, Johnny, on the spot.
Medical calls.
You bet.
Absolute accidents. They are Johnny on the spot.
You
They
bet.
are.
And we even have a helicopter pad.
Yes, we do.
And believe me, they have saved a lot of lives up there. And this is just a very small way of paying them back and saying thank you and helping them get some new equipment. And I know that this is not the only event that you do. You have
No, we've got a couple other events on the calendar. We're going to have Taco de Marcho.
Oh, how cute.
We started that last year or the year before. It's going to be March 22nd. That's a tentative date. We
Great.
haven't put it on our calendar for sure, but it's all tacos and trim and beans and all the good stuff.
Good.
And the flea market, which is our big fundraiser for
Right.
the year, is tentatively for May 17th.
Right.
So
big pancake breakfast in the morning.
big pancake breakfast, still $6. Pancakes, sausage,
Orange
scrambled
juice,
eggs, juice, coffee.
You name it, they got it.
Yeah,
and they
it's
do
wonderful.
a great job, and everybody volunteers to put that on. And
So,
bake sale.
Yeah. Oh, I always have the bake sale, and we'll probably have something for lunch.
Great.
But you know, when you start clearing out your closets this year, save
betcha.
it for us. We'll,
And you find so many nice things
Oh,
up there.
yes,
Beautiful things up
absolutely.
there. But I really would like you to remember January the 25th and to get out there at 6:30, go in there and have some soup, salad, bring a bottle
Brownies.
of wine, brownies, sit around
Carrot
the
cake.
tables and talk to your neighbors, get to know new people. It's just so much fun. And you don't have to be from just up there.
No.
Everybody is invited to come up.
Absolutely.
So please help us out up there in Lockwood, because we need your money. We need help up there, and we need to protect
we
these
need
people.
to help our firemen.
Right,
We do.
absolutely.
They're a very
And
important
Carol,
part
I
of
wanna-
our community.
And I want to thank you for all the time that you volunteer and give, and your husband John.
Oh, yes, he's-
And the board of directors and
Yeah.
everybody that been there, done that.
It's been really fun.
Been there, done that, and it's
I
very
have a
rewarding.
wonderful group of ladies.
Yes, you do.
I couldn't do it without them.
And it's very rewarding to be able to do things like
Absolutely,
that
it
for your
certainly is.
community. So again, the 25th, only $10.
$10.
$10. Salad, fresh homemade breads, rolls, dessert. It's just so much fun. You've got minestrone, you've got chicken chili, split pea, crab bisque. You name it, they've got it, and you're going to have a fun time. Carol, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Update us and let us know what
I
goes
will,
on. I'd
certainly.
appreciate
Thank you
that.
so much.
We're going to take a very, very short break and be back with our next guest.
You're watching Amador County's local television network, TSP.